furnace hasn't been working correctly, and I woke up this morning to chilly temps. Let's fix this. At this point, I don't get a blower fan. My blower just don't turn on. So let's test my fan. These 4 wires here, orange, yellow, red, and black, all go to the main blower motor, plus this white ground wire, white neutral wire. Now let's plug some power into those wires to see if we can get different speeds actually working. That will tell me if it's a bad board or a bad motor. Those are connected when I plug in. If I have blower, problem is circuit board. If I don't have blower, problem is blower. Right now, I have nothing. I can hear the motor winding up but not working. There you go. Bad motor. Try to get on orange. I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can. Let me shove the camera in there. Not sure if you can hear that on camera. Motor's locked up. I don't know what the problem is exactly, but bad motor. At this point, either put a new motor in or decide if it's worth it to get a new furnace. In my case, I already did all this about a week or 2 ago and knew my problem was the motor. However, my furnace is very old. It's a Goodman Dependable 92. I don't know the year on it, but I'm thinking it's from the 90s. So I opted for a new furnace. But that is how you can troubleshoot to see what you have. If my furnace was any newer, this would be there you go. Bill would have been about $73. There you have it, guys. That's how you diagnose, troubleshoot your furnace problems. Help avoid those costly repairs. Later.